How to fix recent call history not showing. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open settings and click on search button located on top right corner of your screen. In there, simply search apps. After you search apps, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on apps and notification. Then click on phone. Or stop the app and then go to storage and cache, clear cache, and simply restart your phone after that. After restarting your phone, open phone. Then you'll find three dots located on top right. You'll find call history. Click on call history and your call history will be visible. And that's how you fix if recent call history is not showing. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.